Okay, so this part 3 is going to be short because we're almost done. Um, so the fifth characteristic of civilization is writing. Now, you're not going to have writing in either the Paleolithic or the Neolithic era. In fact, the next era basically starts because it gets us out of prehistory. Prehistory, if you remember right, is the time period before writing. Of course, in this picture right here, you see a lot of Egyptian hieroglyphs, which is their writing, although they were not the first to have writing, which we're going to talk about in the next unit. And then art. Art, we see art in the prehistoric era. In fact, every single civilization we've studied has had some kind of art, but it's going to get more complex once you get out of the prehistoric era. Okay, now one thing that you need to understand about civilizations is in order to have a complex civilization with writing and lots of people who don't have to be farmers, you have to be able to produce a ton of food. Enough food so that not everybody has to be a farmer. So, what gives you the ability to produce more and more food? Well, the most obvious is fertile soil. How do we get fertile soil? Well, most of the time we get it from rivers. When a river flows, it picks up a whole bunch of soil or silt from the bottom of the river and moves it further downstream. This is what makes for a lot of fertile soil, especially when those rivers flood. So, most of these early civilizations are going to begin in river valleys. Some of them will begin in volcanic eras, but most of them will be river valleys. Okay, so that is it for today. I will see you later.